Alright, so it's been a little crazy out here in the workshop lately. I've got like three projects in the works. I actually had, at one point I had 5, and unfortunately I had to kind of like, how do I want to say that, one was for charity, one was for my oldest son getting married. So unfortunately I had to push some customers' projects off by a week or two to deal with these, because the charity one was pretty important to me. It was for Relay for Life, so creating a nice piece for the silent auction was, in my opinion, pretty important. So I'm working on doing this removal of the carvings on this like set here. So here's where I'm at. I'm kind of at a whitewash. You can still see some of the carvings. I haven't totally gotten those all removed on some pieces. Like here's the center divider, and that's looking pretty spot on. It's all whitewashed at, and pretty much everything that I used. Shoot, I put it up, but I just used like a gray automotive primer because I needed to seal it up in a way, and it was kind of, I don't know if you could see that on that one piece. That was my test run, and let me get this thing back up here. So in the white light, it looks pretty good, but I can see some like yellowing in certain areas on it that I wasn't expecting. But it is what it is. Hopefully I can get that all straightened out. So I tried going to a gray primer to kind of give like a gray base, seal things up real good. And then I'm using the, this is basically a white wood stain. Then on top of that, I'm using the whitewash pickling. And I mean, the results they're okay. Today I got the drawer boxes all sanded up and filled in and then primered, and also the other drawer front, or the door front, I've got that one primered up. Don't know where the hell that's gone too, but yeah, gonna hopefully have this one done by the end of the weekend. And then out there in my truck I've got a 4x8 sheet of 1/2 inch MDF, a 2x4 and some crown molding for a frame that I'm going to be making, like a picture frame, so to speak, to go around a flat screen TV on the wall. Pretty excited about that one, and hopefully with this being the last day of June, that project was due a little while ago, so hopefully tomorrow I can get that all cut, busted out, so that I can get over to the client's house on Monday, do some fitting, and and because I do most of my stuff through Sherwin-Williams, they went there and they chose the color they want it to be painted to. So Monday, hopefully, before I go there, I can stop and get that paint choice, and then fit it up, get my hangers in place, bring it back here, paint it, and have it installed hopefully by the 4th of July. So yeah, crazy, because after that I've got to get this one done. I've definitely got, these are going to be going on simultaneously, because the table that I've been storing since like April, the clients finally got their move-in date, which is like the middle of July, so I need to get the frame done, this TV stand, well, it's not a TV stand, but it is now, I don't know what the hell you call it, but I've got to get that done, and then I got to get started on these chairs, and then I got to remember, thank God I took a lot of video, because I got to remember how to put all this shit back together. So yeah, the chairs, there's one here behind me. There's 6 of them. 2 of them are captain's chairs, 4 of them are side chairs, and luckily we're going to a darker color, so I'm hoping I can pull some magic off because the legs are just there's no disassembling chairs, and when you got a leg that's like these, they are very difficult to get sanded all the way down, cleaned up without really affecting the contour of the legs. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on here lately. I've just been busy as all get out, and there's a guy riding a bicycle who was looking at me kind of weird. I'm standing here in the garage talking to the camera. Thinks I'm talking to somebody else because he can't see my camera, so whatever. Beautiful day here in Chicagoland area. It's kind of hot. It was really hot today. Kind of put a hamper on doing a lot of things I wanted to do today, so hopefully tomorrow it cools down a little bit and I can be out here a majority of the day and get a lot of these projects done. So hey, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.